We're here because we want to advance relationships with the partners who are on the show floor. Our organization does government contracts, and so our whole goal here is to find the technologies that are the best in the field so that we can take it forward on behalf of all the partners. That's what we're here for.
I knew I was going to come here to learn about newest technology, things that I haven't seen before, but actually making connections with people that I could work with is actually far more important too.
We're really trying to expand in the aerospace and manufacturing space, so just kind of talking to more individuals that work in that industry, and hopefully going forward that will be where most of our leads come from.